Hello friends, does your 722.9 7-speed transmission ever get stuck in Limp Home Mode? Today, we are going to talk about some Mercedes transmission conductor plate problems. Mercedes 7-speed transmission has 722.9 conductor plate, which is widely installed in her early 2004 models. 722.9 TCM, the transmission control module, has couple advantages such like: Number 1, faster and smoother gear shifting to give drivers higher comfort. Number 2, better fuel economy. Number 3, RPM and vehicle speed are better matching. Number 4, quicker response for downshift and upshift. So by 2008, it successfully replaced the usage on all 722.6 5-speed models. Next, we are going through some Mercedes 7-speed auto gearbox problems. We'll tell you the common Mercedes conductor plate symptoms of the failing 722.9 transmission conductor plate. There are some common symptoms when Mercedes 722.9 transmission control module goes wrong. Number 1, Limp Home Mode condition appears. Number 2, transmission stuck in second gear. Number 3, erratic shifting. Number 4, can't drive speed over 40 mph. Number 5, jointing while gears shift. Number 6, check engine light is on. Whenever you feel these Mercedes 7G Tronic problems, don't be panic. You can check transmission fluid oil level first and drive Limp Home Mode car to your auto shop. Very common, the transmission will go into Limp Home Mode. This mode is designed to allow you continue to drive the car to repair shop if automatic transmission system goes wrong. Thanks for this witty safety design, the transmission will not crash down immediately. Very important thing is to let the verified repair shop to do automatic transmission unit diagnose via OBD2 port under the dashboard. Popular fixing way is to replace the conduct plate, control module sensor, or valve body, according to error code reading result. Check the below link to see what error codes mean. New TCU will require SEN and CVN coding, which can be only performed by the dealer or an authorized repair shop. We all know how complicated the Mercedes transmission repairing is, and to be honest, not many mechanics experience such difficult problems. The specific process like shift the gear in, pouring transmission fluid into chamber, then pairing the new control plate to the computer, has their own order to be done. Any step moves wrongly, not only original problem can't be solved, but the new error may occur. HJL transmission team successfully helps global repair shop to shoot TCU problem via online remote communication. Such dedicated process require verified mechanics experience and patience. So we strongly recommend car owners to let your auto shop to proceed whole process themselves, or let your auto shop to conduct us before you purchase. How about you? Are you a transmission repair shop? Do you ever experience that car owner brought the TCU plate to ask for your installation? How do you feel whenever the customers brings their own car parts for your installation? Leave comments below so we can hear your professional comments. We always love to learn from you. Later, we will discuss more how to maintain your transmission to longer the transmission life. So, stay tuned, our friends. We will come back to you soon. Don't forget to share, subscribe, and open the notification bell. See you next time.